So hey guys, and welcome back to another brand new YouTube video. And in this video we're gonna learn how to create a very basic desktop notifier app using Python. So please stick around and let's get started. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to notify our desktop with a message in Python. So at times you can see when you have a Windows update or a weather climate change, and at times you get notified with a message sliding into your desktop and tell you, hey, you gotta update your Windows, or hey, this is the weather change. So we're gonna learn how to create a basic notification program so you can actually implement what we're going to learn into a bigger project like a GUI app using Tinta, PyQt5 and the rest. So you can just add this to your project or your program and it's all going to work perfectly fine. So to get started, the first thing we're going to have to do is to download one more pip install player. So this is going to be the module we're going to use, and pip install player that has installed successfully. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it. So the first we're going to start is to import our player module. So we're going to say from player, we're going to import notification. And here I'm just going to define a function, which is just going to be notifiers. Notifier is going to take a parameter title and as well app name. And let's say the message for sure. And here we're just going to say our app name. Oh no, let's just say the app icon and the timeout. So those are going to be the things we're going to need to create our function. And here I'm going to say notification.notify. So this is actually going to be the thing that does almost everything for us. So we're going to say about title. The title should be equal to our title that we're passing in a function, and the app name should basically be the app name that we pass in our function. And we're still going to do the same thing for the message. So we're going to say we want the message to be equal to our message that we pass in the function. And the same thing for the icon, we're going to be equal to the app icon. And for the timeouts, we want the same thing, which we pass in our function. So now what we're going to have to do is call our notify us function. So I'm just going to say notify us. And for the title, I'm just going to pass in let's say just say this is, so we're going to say this is a title. And for the app name, I'm just going to leave it blank because I don't have any idea which name I'm going to give it. But if you actually have a program like a GUI, whatever, and you have that app name, you can just pass in the name of the app and that should work perfectly fine for you. And for the message, I'm just going to pass in, let's say, hello world, this is a message. So, and for the app icon, you can pass in a .ico file, which you don't gotta pass in a PNG file or a .jpg file, which is not gonna work. But you have to pass in a .ico, which stands for an icon file. So I don't have any icon file on this my laptop that I'm using to record. I'm just gonna leave that blank. I'm sorry guys, but you can just add the path to the icon. Let's say if you have the file in your deck in your the same folder, you can just put the name of the file and just add .ico at the end. So for the timeout just means how many seconds you want the display to be want it to display on the desktop. So the default is 10 seconds, but I'm gonna move it to 5 because I don't want to waste you guys time. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and run the function. So I've run the function. As you can see, this is a title, hello world, this is a message. So as you saw guys, the thing worked perfectly fine, and we had that this is a title, we saw the hello world, this is a message, and we saw it appear for 5 seconds. So that's how I can just basically implement this into a bigger project and make it function all well. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, share to your friends and family or anybody that find this video useful. And please, if you have any feedback, any suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer those. And without further ado, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.